Morning. We're working on a 67 C2 convertible that has our floor and our tubs and also our front end inner fenders we make. And right now we've got the car basically sitting at ride height and we're mocking up for wheels and we're using the verifiers. So basically what we've done is we've taken the suspension, we went through full droop, full compressed, set it at ride height, and we went through and adjusted the wheel where we think everything is going to work, where we're happy with all the clearances, where nothing should rub. And so like on this one right here, this one we ended up going with 18-inch rim, 9.5 wide, and it has the back spacing on it is 6.82. So that basically gives you a 40 millimeter offset is where that goes, and that fits perfect. And then we're running a 275/35 18. In the rear, we're running, as far as the tire goes, we're running a 325/30 19, and that's going to be on a 19-inch wheel. It'll have 8.82 back spacing, and that's after we've checked everything out, and that'll give you a 59 millimeter offset. So with that, the nice thing is too, you can run a 325 convertible and still with our floor and our tubs, you can still fold your convertible top down and shut your deck lid. So now we went to the other side of the car, and to give you an idea of what the car would look like with wheels and tires on it, we had some rims that were perfect for what we were looking for. Back spacing is right on. This has the 59 millimeter offset. And as you can see, the wheel, the package fits. The car has great stance, a little bit of rake in the front, room in the front also. And another thing too, you want to remember when you're mocking up for your wheels and everything, you want to take in consideration the space between your hub and your wheel for your rotors. If you don't have your rotors on, you want to space the wheel out, because that'll make a difference when if you do it without it, then you order your wheels and you put your rotors on, your rotors that sometimes at 1/8 quarter inch, depending how tight you make it, it makes a world of difference. And you can, and with this said, you know, this isn't the only way. There's different ways you can do tires, you know, and as far as you can, if you want it further out, it's all in how comfortable you are, how tight you want stuff. But this is one great way that it's worked out really good for us, and you can take a good look at the vehicle and you can see how nice it sits. So that right there will give you an idea of what it's going to look like all done.